Welcome to Cranston, and today we're down in Riverstone, the exclusive section of one of Calgary's favorite Southeast communities. And backing onto the paths and the pond, you're going to love this 2-story walkout family home with all the features you're looking for. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms and a large bonus room. On the main level, an upgraded kitchen, plenty of living space, and then downstairs, the walkout you're looking for. Plus, central air conditioning. Come on in, let's check it out.